What's up, YouTube? Just thought I'd make a quick video of my bike, my ride. Hope everybody's doing well out there. I have a 2015 Street Glide Special right behind me. And one thing about her is I bought her in Wyoming and I live in Kentucky. I was out at the 75th anniversary Sturgis back in 2015, and while I was out there, we went over to Gillette and I went to the dealership at Deluxe and got a great deal, great rate, and decided why not. So let me show you what I've done to her. I want to post a couple pictures of like what she looked like. And then I'll talk about what I've done to her and what I plan on doing. So this is my 2015 Street Glide Special. On the front here, I've changed out the front end to a 03D Vision X, and also have the Fang headlight bezel. And then you have custom dynamics turn signals on the front and back. And I also changed out the suspension front and back to Legends. Best decision I ever made. I wish I'd have done it sooner. Also, one thing I've been doing a little bit at a time is blacking out the bike. It was all chrome. I got my front forks powder coated around the time I done the Legends, and so I did those, and then I did the fork covers. Those are the edge cut Harley-Davidsons, and then I have the nut covers, which is the burst, and then I have the 6.5 inch Clockworks flaring windshield, and the edge cut windshield trim. Also just bought a Rick Rack GoPro mount there. That's what this is. I haven't tested it out yet. I just got it, so we'll see how that goes. I do have a stage 1 kit on her, a Harley-Davidson Screaming Eagle high airflow kit, and then those are Cobra True Dual exhaust pipes. And then, like I said, at the back I have the turn signals, which are custom dynamics, and you have the bag blades, which are 03D. I have also a custom dynamics license plate holder, that's also LED. And then I also have, you can kind of see up close, those are the plasma rods, and also the Tribar down here, that's also custom dynamics. I changed that out because it was just a running light, and now it's running and brake. As part of blacking it out, I blacked out the luggage rack and the sissy bar. I got that powder coated gloss black. I have the heated grips, which is the Harley-Davidson Willie G. I also put on the hand controls for the brake and clutch edge cut. You can see those right there. I do have I changed out the gas tank cover lid Willie G as well. I have some windshield bags there. Those are really nice, come in handy. And I also have the Willie G derby cover, and I also changed out the pans, which these right here, and those are black. And then I have the edge cut heel toe shifter, and the linkage there, as you can see. Do have the highway pegs, which are Willie G as well, and the long arm highway peg mounts. So far, that's all I've done to this bike. Probably the biggest thing was the suspension, and except for the exhaust and the stage 1 kit, I've installed everything myself. The suspension front and back, the heated grips, I did it all myself. Strong believer, you ride it, you wrench it. Helps me learn a little bit about the bike and any new bikes I might have in the future. Now, some of the things I'm thinking about doing is I want to continue my powder coating, my blacking out the bike. I think I'm going to do the crash bars, the engine guards here. I think I'm going to black those out. The only thing is like, I'm thinking about leaving these chrome because I like the chrome and black look, the combination there. So I don't know, leave some comments if you think that will look bad or good. I'm not sure, I haven't decided. I might have to either, if I can get these powder coated, I will, but definitely leave these chrome. And yeah, just try to figure out what I want to do there. Oh, almost forgot, I changed out my brake lever. It is black, but the reason I changed it out is because it's more ergonomic. You know, you get a brand new Harley-Davidson, it's like way up here, it's slanted up much higher, and I got this because it's lowered. It's more comfortable, and I'm not having to, you know, my foot's not like pushing back so far. I know I've heard a lot of people say that they don't like that. Some people get used to it, but I'm telling you, this is phenomenal for me. And I bet it would be great for tall riders. I know they make one that extends even farther out, but I love this one. Glad I did it. And so that's a little bit what I've done. Like I said, what I'm wanting to do is continue to black out the bike. I think I'm definitely going to black out these crash bars. I'm not sure about these. The other thing is the seat. You know, this is the stock seat, and I think I might go. I'm going to try out a Sandalman road sofa. I had somebody let me sit on their bike. I mean, strangely enough, most people don't let you sit on their bike, but I like the way it felt. Obviously, I didn't ride it. Definitely need to check that out. So I'm gonna go to a local dealership and do a demo, see how I like it. I think that's about it. I'm not sure what else I'm thinking about doing. Oh, yes, I do. I can't believe I forgot this. So, the lowers. Advan Black. I'm sure everybody's heard of Advan Black. If you watch stuff on Sick Baggers YouTube channel, you'll see the Advan Black stuff being installed, whether it be tour packs, lowers, extended saddlebags. But I'm thinking about putting lowers on this. I don't know about speakers and all that. Honestly, I'm happy with what I got. But you know, who knows? You know, it's your toy. You know, you want to do as much stuff to it, and it's the joy out of it. So yeah, I think that might be becoming, is to get the lowers. I think that would look really good, and then have those engine guards blacked out. It would look really nice. But there she is. That's my 2015 Street Glide Special, all the way from Wyoming, Gillette, Wyoming, by way of Sturgis 75th anniversary. My gift to myself. I love her. She put a lot of miles on her. Just recently did some miles all the way out to South Dakota spearfish. You've probably seen that video. But yeah, she's been good to me. I've been good to her. I do my maintenance. So, oh, one other thing I almost forgot. I can't show you now because I have to hit the brakes. But I got the custom dynamics. I can't even think of the name of it right now, but the lights basically flash. Oh, there we go. Magic strobes, that's it. I almost forgot the magic strobes. Hit the brakes. I wish I'd have done. That's another thing I wish I'd have done a long time ago. The magic strobes and the Legend suspension. Let me tell you something. Legend suspension, I know it's expensive, and I didn't get the most expensive ones that they came out with, the little reservoirs that come out and are usually back here in the back. Mine are not those. I have the Revo A's. Let me tell you something. Most comfortable ride, especially you're doing 1K in a day, man, lifesaver. The only thing I wish I would have had was a different seat. It wasn't horrible. I did end up getting a seat pad to help me out, which really helped out a lot. But that suspension, my gosh, just amazing. And there she is. I don't have a name for my bike. I've never named her. I don't know why, but that's her. Hope you enjoyed the video. Please like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching. Guess I should start, let you hear what she sounds like.